The last trust signal for a Solana token? Locking its identity so the name and logo can never change. In about a minute, I'll show you how, permanently. On j.tools, open token management, then revoke update authority. Every Solana token has an update authority, the permission to change its metadata, the name, the symbol, the logo, the links. That's how some scams work. A token looks safe, then the owner changes its identity after people buy. Revoke it, and the identity is locked for good. What you see is what it stays. First, connect your wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom. Now, pick your token. Just paste its contract address, or choose it from the list. I'll select the one from my last videos. The tool finds its metadata, ready to be locked. One important thing, this is permanent. Once you revoke, the name, symbol, and logo can never be changed again, so lock it only when everything's final. Now I'll click the Revoke Update Authority button. I'll review it and confirm. And that's it. The update authority is gone, and the token's identity is locked forever. That's the full trust setup done. To learn more, make sure to subscribe and follow.